The 2024 Mercedes Vito and eVito represent an exciting new chapter in Mercedes-Benz's story of premium vans for both private and commercial use. These models, in conjunction with the EQV, V-Class, and V-Class Marco Polo, exhibit a clear shift towards a sharper premium aesthetic, electric mobility, and enhanced digital experiences. The brand's new design language gives the Vito and eVito a distinctive, contemporary appeal that sets them apart in their respective segments. Exterior design changes include a striking radiator grille, dynamic bumper, and new light signatures. With available adaptive multi-beam LED headlights and aerodynamically optimized alloy wheels, these vans command attention. The updated interior design emphasizes digitization, providing a modern and high-tech environment. A redesigned instrument panel, stylish air vents, and a new generation of steering wheels with capacitive hands-off recognition further refine the look. For the first time, the Vito and eVito are equipped with a 10.25-inch central display, showing Mercedes' commitment to blending form and function seamlessly. The 2024 Vito and eVito offer numerous comfort features that enhance the overall user experience. The central console supports wireless smartphone charging, and other convenience features include the keyless start function, a heated steering wheel, dimmed rear lighting for nighttime driving, and an electric parking brake. These features are just a tip of the iceberg, promising a refined driving experience that is emblematic of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury. These new models are also equipped with the latest generation of the Mercedes-Benz user experience infotainment system as standard. This innovative system offers personalized suggestions for infotainment, comfort, and vehicle functions, providing a digital and interactive experience that makes driving more enjoyable. With the MBUX, drivers can benefit from various features such as music streaming, energizing comfort control, and navigation with augmented reality. Mercedes-Benz offers several digital extras with the MBUX infotainment system. These extras, designed to make daily life easier and more efficient, include maintenance management, accident and breakdown management, as well as remote services for locking and unlocking doors and opening and closing windows via the Mercedes Me app. The Mercedes Me Charge digital service, available for the EQV and the new eVito, provides access to one of the largest public charging networks in Europe. For those seeking electric mobility, the eVito integrates intelligent navigation with active range management and cloud-based services and apps. All electro-specific displays and settings can be operated via the high-resolution central display in the MBUX, offering transparency, planning security, and a relaxed driving experience. Enhanced safety and driver assistance systems also contribute to the attractiveness of the 2024 Vito and eVito. New features like active brake, assist with cross-traffic function, and adaptive multi-beam LED headlights with High Beam Assist Plus provide better support in a wide range of driving situations. The new parking package offers 360-degree visualization of camera-assisted parking using 3D images, adding to the convenience and safety. The 2024 Mercedes Vito and eVito promise an elevated driving experience for both private and commercial users. With a sharper design, advanced digital features, enhanced comfort and safety, and an emphasis on electric mobility, these vans perfectly encapsulate Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future of premium vans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.